Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong has hinted at a possible change in the political scenario in the state next week ahead of the elections of Soyang Assembly constituency scheduled for May 10. Speaking to reporters, Deputy Chief Minister, however, refused to divulge details on the political changes, but added that a political change will occur either on May 6th, 7th or 8th. It is most likely that the Deputy Chief Minister is referring to the possible merger of the PDF with the ruling NPP. When asked about the NPP's prospect in the upcoming election at Soyang, Tynsong said that the prospect of the party is very good. According to him, the fight will be between NPP, UDP and Congress, adding that the party will work hard to ensure it emerges victorious for the Soyang seat.
That I will tell you only either on the 6th or 7th or 8th. Then you come and see and then I will tell you.
What is the prospect of your candidate?
Sorry? Yeah, right now our candidate, in fact, the prospect is very good. The fight is between our UDP candidate and also it seems with Congress. So the fight is there. But we will work hard till 10th of May and I'm sure we will become victorious.
The first